Yeah. All right, we got hybrid battery replacement 101 here. It's pretty easy on a Toyota. Definitely should wear some high voltage gloves, but you know what you're doing, you don't necessarily have to. But basically just this is the service grip, or it breaks the battery in half basically. So that's this connection here, and you definitely don't want to touch this with anything metal. Use plastic, something insulated. We take that off. That basically breaks the battery in half. We already took off these parts over here on the ground, the vent and the cover and some other bits and pieces. And you come over here and you're gonna undo your negative cable, go into the system main relays, and these are little pieces that like keep the airflow going where it's supposed to be. Basically pop this open. Do the positive lead. And improvise with some plastic tools. Get it off the stud. Now get your power that goes to the system main relay. This is a battery current sensor, and then the positive goes to this system main relay, and we're going to gently work that out of there. Cut. Those are off. Where's the tap? And you undo this whole assembly from the side of the battery, the part we're going to change. This is the battery ECU. Not really sure what this part is, to be honest. Always got to use your snap-on tools. Unplug this connector. And then this assembly comes off the side of the battery. Now that we got all the major hot leads unhooked, we're good to touch this stuff. This cable. This. There we go. One more wire. Which is the battery current sensor. And voila, this we're going to transfer over to the new battery once we switch these cables. And you got your old battery ready to go back to good old Toyota recycling land. That's the first half of our video.